If you're a freelancer, content creator, remote worker, you receive money in dollars, or you're even a student, then this video is for you. Over the past few months, I've been using this app and I've genuinely had a great experience with it. I've received payment through it, and one thing I really like is how fast they process withdrawals. Their customer support is very responsive whenever you need help. In fact, someone recently recommended that I should start withdrawing my PayPal fund into it because of their exchange rate. Not knowing I was already using it, that gave me even more confidence that it's becoming one of the platform people trust. So, in this video, I'll show you how to create your own account from scratch and verify it within minutes. The verification process is quick, and I'll also explain some of the features and benefits as we go along. One very important thing, during the sign-up process, you'll see a place to enter a referral code. Please make sure you use my referral code displayed on the screen or use the link in the description of this video. First, it really supports me as a creator, and secondly, you get your first deposit fee waived. So, it's a win-win for both of us, unless you want to lose out on that. Alright, let's get started. Once you download the app using the link in the description of this video, you should have an interface like this. Tap on create an account and choose individual. Then consent, read the terms and condition and the privacy policy, the e-sign policy, and consent. Then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, you have to choose your country. Choose Nigeria, of course, and choose US if you're not in Nigeria. Then you will need your BVN and your phone number or your NIN. So proceed, and it's going to bring out an interface like this if you're in Nigeria. Then you tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, this is where you are going to input your personal details, your first name, your last name, your email address, and all of that. Let me quickly enter this email address. Then you create your password. You create the password you want to use with the account. Then you submit. Once you submit, it should redirect you to a place where you input OTP from your email. So enter the OTP and allow it to verify. It will ask you to verify your phone number as well, either through SMS or WhatsApp. I'll use SMS for this. So they will send an OTP to my SIM and I'll enter it here. Once I submit, you can see it has verified. At this point, enter my referral code. If you downloaded with the link I shared, it may be there, but if not, enter it manually. Just copy and paste it there. Then tap on submit. Please, this is important. This is very, very important so that you will get the waived fee on your deposit. Then tap on submit and it's going to verify the code. Once you verify the code, it will require you to create a security pin. Then create a security pin known to you. Once you do that, allow it to create the pin and tap on continue. How did you hear about Cleva? Family, friend, whatever I am to you, select it, and then we are set to go. The name of this amazing app is Cleva, and once you tap on let's go, you will come into your account. It doesn't end here. Cancel this and verify your account so you can get access to all of the features. Tap on the identity verification and allow it to load out. Then you can verify in 3 simple steps. Tap on get started. Once you tap on get started, ensure you already have your BVN and your NIN with you. So here you will list your name as it is written on your ID card. Write it down. Your surname, your middle name, your date of birth, where you live, and your BVN. After your BVN, input your address, input your city. You'll be required to enter your state as well. All of these details are very, very important. So fill it very carefully if you want your account to be approved within minutes. I tell you, this doesn't take time at all. So long your details are correct, tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, here you select your employment status. If you are self-employed, if you're a freelancer, just scroll through it and pick the one that described you well. So for this account I'm creating, I'm selecting students. Then purpose of this account, pick what you want to use it for, payment from freelancing or whatever. Then select where you receive payment from, at least 2. Once you select it, then select how much you are expecting to receive. Then receiving fund by yourself, on behalf of yourself. Tap on it and next. Once you tap on next, it will ask you to verify. You can easily use your Voters card, your NIN or international passport. I'll be using NIN for this. So I enter the NIN, it has been verified. Then a live capture of the person, face capture of the person, and it has been uploaded. Because all our details are correct, this account has been approved immediately. You can see that the sign of verification is no longer there. This means she has completed a KYC and she's set to start receiving payments. So on Cleva, you can buy data and earn points, you can make transaction and earn points, you can refer your friends, and you can pay electricity bill. You can request for Cleva card to make international payments. There's a lot you can do on this app, so feel free to explore. You can see their exchange rates. That's when I'm making this video. You can view the current one when you create your account. I don't need to convince you again that you really need to create a Cleva account. So go ahead and download using the link in the description of this video and ensure you use my referral code. See you in my next video.